Arky. Hey, hold on. What's wrong?
Leave me alone, Adam. I'm fine.
Arky, come on. Hey. What's wrong, huh? Hey?
I'm sorry. Iba lang talaga yung nasa school niyo si your friend.
Wait, Scarlett is just a friend. I promise you.
Just a friend? Sobrang ko ngayon sa party kanina eh. God.
Nagsisilos ka?
This is so stupid. Why do I even care?
Hey, nagsisilos ka, ha? Kaibigan ko lang siya.
Stop. You don't need to explain, okay? Wala naman tayo, di ba? Duty lang.
Adam, duty, wow. You just love that word, ha? Ano akala mo sa akin? Manila ko? Na hindi ako masasaktan? Every time we use that word, ha? Duty, natuwa ako sa buong sit-up natin. Every repeat sa bullshit. Ang hirap-hirap mo ko. Di ko pa rin kasi nakita sa...
You're so stupid to think that we could make this work. Adam, you and I are exes.
Yes, we are.
Hindi tayo pwedeng maging magkaibigan, kaso lang. Kasi kahit anong kasinungalingan ang sabihin natin sa isa't isa, there will always be something between us. Lagi na lang may masasaktan. Kaya please, magkalimutan na lang tayo.
Walk away, dyan ka naman eh. Magaling, di ba? Walk away. God damn it. Okay, still love you. Okay, mahal kita. Hindi ko nakita yun. Look at me. Please, look at me. Look at me. Sa balikat, si Arky, you can close your eyes. Bakit, Arky? Please, don't close this. Don't close your heart from what it truly feels. Look at me. Please, look at me.
Anong gusto mong sabihin ko? Na mahal pa din kita? Oo, mahal pa din kita. Di naman nawala yun eh. Takot lang kasi ako. Ayaw ko nang nasaktan ulit.
I'm so sorry for hurting you. I promise you that I will never hurt you again. Hey, Arky, you're the only girl that makes me never tense. But you know, I wish that I'm lying next to you. I go on alone. Arky, please, with me. Kahit anong gawin mo, babalik ako sa iyo. Na parang.
Parang funjay?
Yes, parang punjay. I cannot believe na ano po nga ang tingin mo sa akin.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. Arky, I love you.
I love you.
Do you love me enough to kiss Punjay? Uy. Yes.
This time.